This is a tutorial video for the Professional Travel Agents of North America's membership application for students and novice agents who may not be credentialed as yet and are interested in being educated by PTANA. In order to see how to get to this point, please view the introductory tutorial video. Once you have selected the chapter that you're interested in on the application, you'll ensure that the chapter name is illuminated as well as it appears at the top. You will ensure that if you are a student or novice, you have selected the student or novice button, and whether you're new or renewing, you indicate as such. You scroll down to the bottom and you hit next. Whoever referred you to the organization, you want to ensure you put their name there and also indicate your contact information. If you are not a travel agent as yet, you're just interested, you can select not applicable, and you can also enter your home address where you'll be getting correspondence from PTANA. Ensure that any field that has a red star is required and should be completed. You can enter your contact information here and your home address, where if you receive any prizes or information from PTANA, this is where we will mail it. So please ensure that you put that information here. Scroll down to the bottom and hit next. You want to ensure that you're putting in your email address, and if you are a student or novice, you indicate so, and you put the name of your organization or travel school that you might be attending, their website, and where you might be located. You are not an industry partner, so you would leave that field blank, and you would ensure that for your position, you indicate student, novice, or new agent. In this case, if you have no host, you haven't signed up with anyone to be affiliated with, you will click self-hosted. If you have signed up to be affiliated with a host, you would enter the name of that organization here. You want to ensure that you enter that host information here, or the company or your school information here if you are registered with Travel Institute, Travel Agent Academy, or a university. You will enter their contact information here as a phone number and ensure you hit next. It will take you to a page that says enter supporting documentation for students, novice agents only. If you see industry partner here or travel agent, you would not fill that out because you are a non-credentialed, brand new travel agent or student. If you're a student, PTANA requires that you upload a certificate which indicates you are enrolled or taking some travel courses as like a transcript. It can be unofficial in a screenshot. You can also sign the code of conduct in this application, which you're doing right now. You can also show proof of enrollment, which would be a screenshot or a student ID as indicated here. And if you are signing up with a host and you do not have a CLIA, IATA, ARC, or True card, they can provide a letter indicating that you are signed up with this host agency. So you would want to make sure that you upload that as well. You want to ensure that if you're using a desktop computer or a laptop, that you have taken pictures of all of these items, save them to your computer so you can access them to upload by hitting Browse Files. In the event that you are doing this on a mobile phone, tablet, or iPad, you want to take a picture with that device and make sure it is saved to your camera roll for easy upload access when you click on Browse Files. So you want to click on Browse Files and you want to ensure that you have those devices uploaded so that you see the name of the file listed and a number indicating that the file has indeed been uploaded. You want to upload your unofficial transcript, proof of enrollment, or printout of that travel program, as well as we indicated the verification letter from your host agency if you've just signed up, as well as a photo ID or your business card for your new travel business. Then you want to hit next. You want to make sure that you read this carefully, which is your PTANA Code of Conduct, and you agree to abide by the rules of the organization in order to stay compliant. You sign with your finger on your touchscreen or with your mouse by holding it down on a computer or desktop. You type your name and hit next. You make sure you fill in your social media information and what categories you might be interested in selling. And this is the point where you select the student or novice membership, which is $30 a year. You want to make sure you preview your application, ensure that everything is as it is, and when you get to the bottom, you hit submit. Thank you.